In this video, I will show you how to connect Emergent to GitHub. First, sign in to your Emergent account. Once you are logged in, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. You will see an option that says Connect to GitHub. Click on it. A GitHub login window will open. Sign in to your GitHub account if you are not already logged in. After you sign in, GitHub will ask you to authorize Emergent. You can choose whether to give access to all repositories or select specific repositories. For this example, I will choose access to all repositories. Click Install and Authorize. After a moment, you should see a confirmation showing that Emergent is now connected to GitHub. To verify the connection, go back to Emergent. You will see a small GitHub icon inside the chat box area, and there will be a green indicator showing the connection is active. That means you are successfully linked to GitHub and ready to sync your work. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more quick tech and AI tool guides.